Plus testimony from law enforcement and forensic experts about a man accused of killing an 8-year-old and the moments leading up to Secoriea Turner's death. That's where we begin as the prosecution continues to build its case. Good afternoon. Thanks for being with us. I'm Cheryl Preheim.
And I'm Faith Jesse. And as week 2 of this murder trial continues, we do know that Julian Conely is on trial for killing 8-year-old Secoriea Turner in 2020. He's accused of killing her. 11 Alive's Marissa Sarbach joining us live outside of the Fulton County Court. Marissa, we know that you have been following this case very closely. Who did we hear from in court today?
Faith, Cheryl, the prosecution called more key witnesses to the stand today, including a forensic scientist, the chief medical examiner, and 2 law enforcement officials who say they both had a previous run-in with the defendant, Julian Conely. Conely is on trial for multiple charges, including felony murder, as well as additional gun and gang-related charges. The state says he shot and killed 8-year-old Secoriea Turner in July 2020 as the Jeep she was in drove through the intersection of University and Pryor. This happened at the height of protests after Rayshard Brooks was killed by police in that same area. This morning, 2 Cobb County police officers testified about a prior arrest of Conely.
A complainant had called in saying a front seat passenger of a Dodge Journey had thrown some kind of device underneath her car, which then exploded. We located several firearms, 4 handguns and 1 long gun, as well as approximately 1,000 rounds of ammunition between what is loaded in magazines and boxed and bagged. We found an ID for Mr. Conely along with a couple other IDs, and he had stated that it was his bag.
Tonight, coming up at 5 o'clock, we'll hear from the chief medical examiner in this case, who will discuss the autopsy. We'll hear her give her testimony today. The autopsy and what that shows about how the little girl died. Live at Fulton County Court, Marissa Sarbach, 11 Alive News.
Marissa, thanks so much for the update.